We are finally at the halfway point of our 3-week adventure in Indonesia. Last episode, we traveled to central Java, where we discovered the powerful volcano of Merapi. We descended down a deep 90-meter drop to witness a light show like no other. And then we grabbed some rubber tubes for an adventure down the river. The world that we live in is our compass. Let's discover something new together. Whether it be some ancient ruins in Indonesia, up some ancient steps in Machu Picchu, or a crazy train ride in Sri Lanka. We want to experience something different. Something out of the ordinary. So join us on our adventures. Our SteinVentures. Welcome to Borobudur. Today we are going to embark on a jeep and visit the local village below our villa. But before we begin our 3-hour tour, we decided to climb to the top of the mountain in which our resort sits on. There were plenty of giant spiders, and the way down, well...
very slippery.
We survived the hike without a single scratch, maybe 1 or 2 mosquito bites, but that was it. Now, let's start this Jeep tour. That's us standing in the back of the Jeep. We have a tendency of doing that. Our guide and semi-videographer was Rifaldi, and our driver's name was Fabri. Excellent guides who took great care of us and definitely went above and beyond. They worked for Parang Menorah Jeep Tour. Now, it was the Chinese New Year when we visited Java, so the streets were busy being ruled by old-fashioned VWs. What a great-looking vehicle. The Jeep tour was a wonderful way to explore this beautiful valley and village, and it was a picture-perfect day. The locals told us that it has been raining hard all week long. Well, it is the rainy season, after all. But we brought the sunshine, so let's take advantage of it. Our first stop was Aram Art. We are about to be masters of the ceramic making process. How exciting! We've never made anything out of clay before, so this would be a first for us. We were all set to get our hands dirty. Our guide, Katoon, was eager to get started as well.
It's fine.
We watched her put the final touches on a guest masterpiece before we began our own.
Okay, so you bake it. Yeah. Look at that.
Ta-da!
There we go.
After dry.
All right.
So I'm about to make a cup out of clay for the very first time.
Yeah, your hand.
Okay, dip my hands.
Slowly, no strong press, yeah.
Remember, it's my first time. I'm sorry if I mess up.
You okay?
Oh yeah.
My wife was a pro, a natural.
In here.
You're right. I need to relax. I'm so tense. I don't know what. I don't want to mess up. Wow, this is so cool.
And now it was time to carve the initials.
So,
Proof that she was the creator of this cup.
Perfect. Ta-da! My new coffee cup. What are you making?
I'm making a heart bowl
For Valentine's Day?
for Valentine's Day.
For me?
Yes, it's for my baby.
I decided on making a heart bowl. You can never have too many of those lying around.
You have to clean the clay off the tip. That's beautiful. Great job, babe.
Woohoo!
Proud of you. Thank you.
yes, happy.
Yeah.
Well, our clay making experience was a success. What a fun way to spend the afternoon. It took a day for the clay to harden, and the next day they delivered our pieces right to our resort.
I'll take these 4 or 5. These.
And there's always a little time to support the locals. After buying a few bracelets and trinkets, we hopped back into our Jeep and headed out to our next destination. It's very useful to have a guide in this part of the country because many locals don't speak English. So having a translator was a bonus.
Hello!
So what does that say?
We call gula Jawa. Bubuk kopi is what it is. Bubuk kopi.
Coffee?
Bubuk coffee, yes.
Oh, okay. I think I got all that. Did Rifaldi just say Guba coffee? All I knew by the smell of things, this was definitely a coffee shop. Now you have to understand, the locals here rarely see Americans. So there's a lot of staring and picture taking. Yes, they wanted to get their picture taken with us, as if we were celebrities. The Javanese people really know how to make you feel welcomed. And we wanted to make sure to give these wonderful people their wish. Yes, it was mostly my beautiful wife they wanted their picture with, but my day in the spotlight will happen soon. I can feel it. I know Rifaldi didn't bring us here to just snap pictures all day. So where's the coffee? Well, first, it's time to learn something new.
Nice to meet you.
Excuse me, you know palm sugar?
Yes.
Palm sugar and coconut sugar different. Palm sugar from orange trees, coconut sugar from coconut tree. Activity in village here, 1 day 2 season climbing coconut tree. Moving in here with fire, boiling, so steering. Sit down taste here. That's not in 1 hour. For 1 hour? For 1 hour. Do we have time? Time for 1 hour? Slowly steering. Yeah.
After stirring the hot sugar for 1 hour, you let it cool,
Going.
and then it looks like
One more tea ready,
this.
free flow.
Thank you. Here we go. So I messed up. In the US, we put the sugar inside the tea, but here you sip the tea and then take a bite of sugar. That is delicious sugar. It's pure. It's sweet, but not too sweet. I love it. Cheers.
Cheers, my love, to a wonderful day in Java. So far, Java is much different than Bali. I'm really enjoying my stay here. Yes, it is a little harder to understand one another, but the Javanese people are special. Every time we meet a new face, it puts a big smile on ours. On the next SteinVentures, it's time to see the 2 big temples in this area, Borobudur and Prambanan. It's going to be a long and exciting day for us, so we better get some extra good rest to tackle these 2 titans. Thank you for watching our adventures. And if you're new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button. You won't be sorry. We got plenty more videos to show off. Thank you again.